So to download the AirVet app, first thing you do is you can search for it, but we can also send you, and you can search for it in your app store, but I sent myself a link, and that link will take me directly to the AirVet app. So it's the blue icon that says AirVet. I'm going to get that. It's going to ask me for my password. So now I'm going to download this. And once it's downloaded, I'm just going to hit the open button, and then the app's going to open up. And the very first time that you download it, it's going to ask you to sign up or log in. Well, we're signing up because this is the initial. And I'm going to use my email, so I click on the email tab. And I'll type in my email. It'll ask you to put in a password. This will be a password that you're going to have for the app. Then you click sign up. It asks you your name. Ask for your phone number. And then it asks you to search for a hospital. So we're going to search for Care Animal Hospital. And if I type in Care, and then I get Care Animal Hospital Pleasant Prairie, first one that clicks up. We're going to click on that. And then that takes you to a whole list of veterinarians. Now, if this is your very first time and you know who you're going to see, what you can do is you can click on that person. But if you don't know, you can just pick one of them. I'm going to just select myself because I can answer that app. And it's going to set up the account. And it's sending me a verification email. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of this, go to my email. Verifying your email address, click on the link. It's been verified. I'm going to go back to my, and there we go. And then allow notifications. Yes, I want to allow the notifications because I want to be able to be notified. Camera and microphone, this is the important part when you're setting this up. Click to allow your camera and microphone. If you don't allow those, click OK and click OK. We won't be able to talk or hear you. Then you can add your pet. Sonny's a dog. And, oh gosh, she's 8. And she weighs 16 pounds, and she's a girl, and that's it. I'm going to click save, and so now I've put my dog in there and I'm ready to go. That's as simple as that. That's your setup and ready to go.